Assalamu alaikum. Firstly, the definition of phonology. Phonology is the branch of linguistics that studies the sound system of languages, including how sounds function, interact, and are organized within a language. Secondly, the differences between phonology and phonetics. Phonology is about how sounds function in a language. Phonetics is about how sounds are made and perceived. Example for phonetics. Consider the sound t in these words. Top, aspirated t with a puff of air. Stop, unaspirated t. But in American English, flap t sounds like a soft d. The example for phonology. Consider p and b in these English words. Number 1, pat, p. Number 2, bat, b. Changing p to b changes the meaning of the word. This shows that p and b are distinct phonemes in English. Thirdly, what are phonemes, phone, and allophone? Phonemes is the smallest unit of sound in a language that can change the meaning of a word. Example for phonemes: p and b in English. The change in sound changes the meaning, so p and b are different phonemes in English. Phone is any distinct speech sounds regardless of whether it changes meaning. Example for phone: the p in bat and the p in spat are different phones. One is aspirated and the one is not. Allophone is a variation of a phoneme that does not change the meaning of a word. Example for allophones: the t sound in top tap is aspirated, via stop is unaspirated. Fourthly, the rules of phonology. Phonology is the study of sound system in languages, and phonological rules describe how sounds interact with each other in spoken language. Here are the type of rules: assimilation, dissimilation, and deletion. Assimilation is a sound becomes more like a nearby sound in terms of some features. Example: import is often pronounced as import, but in fast speech it can become import, where in changes to to match the bilabial p. Number 2, dissimilation becomes less a nearby sound to make pronunciation easier. Example: fifth may be pronounced as fifth, where the second f changes to p to avoid two similar fricates close together. Number 3, deletion. A sound is removed from a word. Example: in casual English speech, friendship may be pronounced omitting the d. Lastly, minimal pairs and sets. Minimal pairs are two words that differ by only one sound phoneme but have different meanings. Example for minimal pairs: pat vs bat, p, b, ship, ship, ten, den, t, d. Minimal sets is a group of words that are identical except for one varying sound phoneme in the same position. Example for minimal sets: bit, bat, bat, but, boot, pin, bin, tin, win, sin, cat, cap, can, cap. So that is all for me now. Thanks for watching.